Presenting the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include tow hitch, front tow hooks, keyless entry, independent suspension, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, remote start, steering wheel controls, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, cruise control, child restraint seats, power outlets, a multi-function remote. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.